What if I told you that most of your daily actions aren't really yours, but quietly shaped by invisible rules you never agreed to? From how we dress at work, to how we speak in class, to what politicians say is acceptable. These are all norms, the unwritten codes that organize society. In sociology, norms are the glue of social order, but also the silent enforcers of conformity. Historically, norms weren't always fixed. In early tribal societies, norms were rooted in survival. Cooperation meant life. With the rise of empires, norms became institutionalized through law and religion. By the time of industrialization, thinkers like Durkheim saw norms as essential to preventing chaos, while Weber linked them to rationalization and control in modern systems like bureaucracy. In the Islamic intellectual tradition, norms were never just social, they were moral. Ibn Khaldun analyzed how group solidarity, or asabiya, shapes norms that sustain civilizations. For him, when norms decay, societies collapse. Later thinkers like Shariati argued that modern societies create artificial norms that distance people from authentic values, turning culture into control. Contemporary scholars like Saba Mahmood challenge Western assumptions, showing how norms, especially around gender, can be expressions of agency, not oppression. Look at politics today. What is considered normal speech shifts constantly. In education, students learn not just facts, but how to behave, when to speak, even how to think. At work, norms dictate professionalism, often masking power structures. Break a norm, and you're labeled difficult, radical, or even dangerous. So the real question is, are norms protecting society or limiting it? Maybe both, because while norms create order, they also define the boundaries of possibility. And those who challenge them are often the ones who reshape history. If you found this perspective thought-provoking, subscribe and join the channel, where we break down complex sociological ideas into insights that change how you see the world.